everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sidonia. A lot of people ask me how I made a gravy on my poutine recipe. So today I'm gonna show you an extract from my recipe where I cooked the Thanksgiving turkey. You can watch the whole video of how to cook the pork turkey, but today I'm gonna have the part where I made the gravy. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do it on the link below and like the video. Thank you. Let's start. Now I will make the gravy for the turkey. I'm gonna use the sauce that is left over after I bake the turkey. I'm gonna add some water, a little bit of the corn flour, and we'll see how good it's gonna be.